Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mira. This is my teammate Saif. We are from Sri Lanka. And today our project is magnetic brake system. This is using magnetic field. We are make a brake system. This is not like traditional brake we are using in cars or motorcycles. In here, this is frictionless brake system. We are stopping the wheel without any contact between the wheel and the magnet. So here we are. This is rely on the magnetic Faraday's law and Lenz law, and I will demonstrate it. Like if you on the switch and wheel will be rotate. When you get the magnet nearby this, and it will be slow down. So when you switch off and get it near, it will be stopped. This is the basic thing, and the difference is we did it with a small cost. Like we did it with less than 10 real spent in this project. So our motive is like this. You can see here. This is our motive is to supply a message or give a message for our friends within a small cost, but very efficient idea. We can make a project and make a big change in industry. So this is simply a project to explain the theory, but it is used in bullet trains and roller coasters like this. So this is our basic and efficient project. Thank you.